In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up your own virtual private server, or VPS. While there are many providers out there, today we are using HostVDS. They deliver great performance at a low cost, support crypto payments, and let you sign up instantly with no ID required. Let's get right into it. To get started, you need to create an account on the HostVDS website. First, use the official link in the video description below, which includes a special sign-up bonus. Once on the homepage, click the Sign Up button at the top right. Enter your email, set a password for your account, and click Sign Up. HostVDS will send a verification link to your email address. Check your inbox and click that link to confirm your account. This will automatically take you to the profile page where you need to enter your details. Enter your first name, last name, country, city, postal code, and address. Leave the coupon field blank unless you have one and click Activate. Your information will be saved, your account is fully created, and you will be moved directly to the billing page to charge your balance. Before you can create a VPS, you need to add funds to your account. Go to the billing page and select your preferred payment method. The minimum deposit is just $1. For this video, I am depositing $2 using cryptocurrency. Enter your amount, click the Pay button, and complete the transaction based on the method you selected. After a successful payment, click the Back to Store button. Click on the Control Panel button in the top right to go back to the control panel. Go to the billing page, and as you can see, the payment is done and my account is charged. To create a VPS, go to the Server tab in the control panel. Since you have not created any servers yet, you will only see the New Server button. Click it to open the Setup page, where you will select your location and server specs. First, select your server location. HostVDS provides several options like France, Latvia, the USA, Hong Kong, and the Netherlands. Stock availability changes over time, so select an available location closest to you. I will select Riga. Next, you need to select your server plan. This determines the hardware specs, like CPU cores, RAM, and bandwidth. Currently, HostVDS offers 3 types of servers. The first is burstable, which is a cost-effective solution with flexible resources, and it is exactly what 99% of users need. They also offer high load for demanding applications, and high frequency, powered by advanced AMD processors for superior performance. Inside each category, you can choose different configurations. The more powerful the server, the more it costs. I usually select the burstable plan with 1 CPU core and 2 GB of RAM. This is powerful enough for me and is the best choice for most people. For the network plan, just leave it on the default setting. Scroll down to the image section to choose your operating system. You can install most Linux distributions or select specific applications. I will select Ubuntu. You can also choose the exact version you want. I select Ubuntu version 24, which is what most of you will need. The next section is for SSH keys. We will skip this to keep the video short, but if you want to learn how to use them, let me know in the comments and I will create a dedicated video. Finally, under configuration, you can set your server name. I will name mine BF-Riga, but you can choose any name. Next, select your IP type. I want both IPv4 and IPv6, so I check both boxes. If you are unsure, just follow my choices. Leave the server count at 1 and click Deploy. Your server will be created in about 2 minutes. Once deployed, the server IP will appear on your dashboard. HostVDS will also email the server details directly to you. Open your inbox and find the email from HostVDS. It contains your server IP, your username, which is usually root, and your password. We will use this information to connect to our server. And that's it. You have successfully created your VPS. In this video, I used HostVDS because the account creation and charging process is incredibly easy, and they offer great server quality at decent prices. I will also introduce other VPS providers in future videos, so you can compare and choose the best one for your specific needs. Now that your server is ready, you can connect to it and use it for almost any goal. You can set up a personal VPN using protocols like V2Ray, OpenVPN, or WireGuard. You can even run a trading bot and apply your own automated trading strategy. In my next videos, I will cover all of these topics. Just like this guide, they will be step-by-step and easy to follow. If you know a better VPS provider, or if you want me to make a similar setup video for a different provider, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please like and also subscribe to my channel so you never miss new videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next videos.